Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you do not know the struggle it has been to watch everybody else open these, and I just have to sit here and stare at them. The new Craftibly 4.0. I was handed mine at the retreat to save on shipping as they were shipping out the orders. And of course, you guys know we got a call for our adoption and I had to flee the scene. And since then, we have been in newborn paradise / lack of sleep. And now my husband is back from his trip and he is taking care of the little munchkin. My daughter is at a friend's house, and so I am going to catch up on some videos and finally open this beautiful package. Thank you so much, Craftibly. So what they have done, if you've seen my preview video from, I think it was like 2 months ago, they, you know what? I'm just gonna slice and dice. They have upgraded and thought, you know what? Go big or go home. Sprinkle alert. And so all of theirs, now there will be a couple, I believe, that still come in the cardboard tubing just because they're old in their storage. They're still amazing diamond paintings, but a couple of their older paintings might still come. I'm not sure if they got extra, but all of their new paintings that you see on their site, which some of them are pre-order, come in this beautiful plastic, amazing, hardcore travel container. I am so excited. It's purple. It's their, what do you call it? Their theme color. The top unscrews so it won't pop off on you. And look at this adorable toolkit. Normally I put a picture in here, but I've heard through the grapevine, number one, this is a sustainable bag, meaning you can reuse it for sure. And then inside are your extra tools, which they needed to expand a bigger bag because they have more tools. So you get 2 of your Craftibly containers, absolutely adorable. And this is new. Every painting right now, which, you know, if you're watching this light years in the future may change, but every single painting right now, get it while it's hot, you're going to get a cover minder. So this has 2 magnets on it and it helps hold your cover back while you're gluing. And then you get 2 beautiful washi tapes. How fun is that? And then inside this toolkit list, what you get 1 set of tweezers, 1 pen, 1 pen grip, 1 tray. They do give you a glue pad as well. And they don't tell you that they've also added, which I find phenomenal, these are the 4-placer tips, the thin ones that everybody drools over. And then this one is, I think, a 6-placer, might be 7. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at engaging them. And so that isn't on the bag as far as what you get listed, but it is in there. Okay. Let's see. So that is what you get, which is really cool because it's random washi tape as far as colors. So you may get a new color every time. Look at this. You can store your diamond paintings in them, and actually once you're done, this would be a great way you could, whoops, woo, flying saucer. You can also travel with this. This could fit in your suitcase as well, or be right along, and it locks in place. This is phenomenal. They have really upped their game. I would buy just to receive that, you know. Some people buy just to receive tweezers. How fun is that? So if you buy more than 1, you're gonna get more than 1 container, and then you can store your stash in it. what did I get? Okay, so I ordered 3. I don't know which one this is. So let me peek. Let me peek. What is this one? I think, let me see here. I think this is Shine. This is one I really wanted. It's got 54 colors with 3 ABs. Now right away before I open this, I started my log and actually writing them in here. So I filled out Shine. I put the size, which is 61 by 81. It's not a custom, it's round with ABs. And I'm gonna leave a note here that it's 3 colors of ABs. And I'm also gonna put how many colors total. So it's 54 colors. Okay, and then store name, because this is Craftibly, it's not like it's AliExpress, I'm going to put who the artist is, which I have to look. Sara Burrier. So Sara is going to go in the seller/store name because I already have Craftibly as the website I purchased it from, and that way I know who the artist is in case I want to look up more of her stuff. Artist. Okay. And then what I like is they've included this little sticker, and you can put it in any journal you have. Some people use regular paper. You can get this book. There's a link down below with a discount. Then you can also put your start and finish date. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cut this down just a little bit so it fits, because I don't need the start and finish date because it's in my log. But this is actually really good for those of you who don't have a log yet and just want to use a normal notebook. I'm just going to cut this down a little bit. And then when I stick it in my log, even though I have the design and kit name, I also have the sticker. So right there, you can see what I'm doing. And then on my log sheet, I have a start and completed date. I did order it on March 14th. I did write that it was a pre-order scheduled for June shipping. I did receive it, or shipped the 25th because they handed it to me, and I received it on the 25th. It has date started, date completed, and then I'm going to have an unboxing review, which is a canvas quality, drills, shipping time, advertising of the product, and overall impression. Okay, so as I unroll these, here are the drills. This is round with 3 ABs, and look at those colors. Oh my goodness. They are phenomenal. I love how they're packaged. For those of you who do not have, crinkle, crinkle, and they are in order of the numbers of the DMC. But for those of you who do not have their own storage, these come in baggies. Look at how beautiful that yellow. It's like a butter yellow. You got white ABs and we have purple ABs. The rest are normal colors, but look how vibrant these colors are. Some factories, they're not this vibrant. I can't wait to start on this one. I have so many I can't wait to start on. It's ridiculous. But if you don't have your own storage, you can just work out of these baggies. And I actually found, this is from the Dollar Tree. It's $1. And if I'm working out of baggies, I can just kind of put them here like so and work right out of that container. That way they're sitting pretty on my craft table. Okay, so look. Oh, there's even more washi tape. Ooh, I could double washi tape. Look at that. I don't know if that was meant to be. I think they had to put in the new toolkits. What I also love about Craftibly is they have these sheets that you can peel off and put on your storage. I do use a lot of my storage is Harbor Freight. So you can peel off and put right on here. They fit perfectly. Or if you used a tool from Tori's Diamond Tools, you can actually put it right on here and then you're good to go. Okay, let me put this out of the way so we don't knock some stuff over. Okay, so that you get stickers. Love that. It does have this sheared or the serged edges. It is poured glue. The glue goes all the way to the sides. Washi tape is used on the sides many times to keep hair and dust and different things off of it. It's also decorative. Here is the photo as well as shine from Sara Burrier. And how beautiful is this? This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to do it. Let's look at the symbols. Now, I actually had a chance to sit next to Michael, and he was working on something similar to this. And he was like, you know what? We need to go back to the factory and talk to them about these symbols and make sure they do white on dark and dark on light. And I just thought that attention to detail, because he actually was working on one to say, what does my consumer, what do people, my crafters are experiencing? And that just really made me want to be with Craftibly even more, because they're always looking at how to make our experience even better. So we looked at the symbols. Let's double check the size. It says it's supposed to be a 24 by 32 inch. Make sure I'm on screen. So we are at 23 7/8, which they always say give them up to every factory because of the dimensions and wanting to make sure that it's not distorted. Give them up to 1 centimeter, or 1 centimeter is about just under ½ an inch. So as long as it's within that ½ to 1/4 of an inch, I'm fine with the size. And then this is 32 5/8. I'm sorry, 31 5/8. So it is right on to what they said from the drill area. Some factories will say it's a certain size, but they are talking, instead of from where you put the diamond drills down to where you put them down, they're talking about actual canvas size. Craftibly, when they advertise, they are talking about actual drill crafting area. So yes, so let me get my book out and let's go over this particular piece. Woo, there goes my scissors. This particular piece was $59.99. If you use my affiliate code DP Addiction Adventures, you'll get 15% off. So that will lower the cost for you. Canvas quality, feel, size, glue, symbols, etc. I am going to give it 4.5 stars, because I know that Michael is working on some of those darker symbols. You still can see through even without a light pad. The symbols are clear, but it could be slightly better, so it doesn't get a perfect score. Drills and packaging, are the numbers readable? Yes, they have the keys on the upper left and the right. When I say readable, are they tagged so you can know what goes what? So I'm gonna say 5 stars. Fill this in. Shipping time, they did tell us pre-order. They continued to update. They wanted to make sure their people were happy, so I'm going to give 5 stars. Advertising of the product, I got exactly what I was looking for, so 5 stars. Overall impression, would I buy again? Absolutely, so 5 stars. So they, on a whole, get 5-star, 5, 5, 5, and then we have 4.5. All right, so I have a post review section and some notes as I work on this. What do I like? What don't I like? When I started, when I completed it. I can't wait now that I'm starting to use this log. I'm going to be unboxing. If you're watching this video, you'll see the ones I'm going to unbox later because I've already filled out part of the log. So yes, so go check out Craftibly. They have a whole bunch in stock. Go check them out, and don't forget, if you do want to check them out, use the affiliate code. I do know internationally it depends on the country due to shipping arrangements, especially with COVID right now. So check out that so you won't be disappointed before you fall in love with something. But this is so beautiful, Sarah. Thank you for sharing your art with Craftibly, which then can share it with us. So I really appreciate it. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.